In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about red packets on Binance Pay. Imagine sending a sprinkle of cryptocurrency joy to your friends. That's what a red packet is like. It's a little gift, whether a fixed or random amount of crypto, that you can send through Binance Pay. Recipients can claim these gifts using a simple code or link. Binance sometimes sweetens the deal with promotions where creating and sharing red packets could earn you extra rewards, making the process even more exciting and beneficial. Now, when it comes to creating a red packet, the process is simple and straightforward. First, open your Binance app. Once inside, navigate to the Pay section and select Red Packet. From there, you'll see an option to tap Send or create a new red packet. Here's where you decide how you want to distribute the crypto gift. You have two options: fixed, where everyone gets the exact same amount, or random, where each recipient could receive varying amounts. It adds a bit of surprise, doesn't it? Next, you need to specify the number of recipients. Essentially, how many red packets or claimers there will be. Then, decide on the total amount of crypto you're looking to send, and if you wish, add a personal touch with a message. Once all that information is filled in, confirm the payment through your crypto wallet on Binance. Don't forget any security verification that might be required. Once confirmed, a code, link, or QR code will be generated. This is what you'll share with others so they can claim their red packet. On the flip side, claiming a red packet is just as easy. Inside the Binance app, go to Pay, then Red Packet, and select Receive or Claim. Alternatively, enter the code or link you received. Once claimed, the crypto will be deposited into your funding wallet, sometimes referred to as the funding account, making it easily accessible for later use. Now, let's talk about how Binance can make this activity even more rewarding. There are promotions run by Binance where participating in red packet activities can earn you up to 25 USDT. Here's generally how it works. If others claim around 25 of your sent red packets, you earn 0.5 USDT. If it's around 100, that reward increases to 1.5 USDT. For approximately 400 claims, you could earn 6 USDT. And for around 900 claims, the reward jumps to 17 USDT. In the best-case scenario, you can earn a maximum reward of 25 USDT. So, whether you're someone keen on sending gifts or looking to earn some extra USDT, red packets on Binance Pay offer an engaging and potentially rewarding way to dabble in cryptocurrency. Happy gifting and claiming.